Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone. If this is the first time that you are clicking on my face, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion, pretty much anything I'd love to talk about right here. It sounds like what you kind of like interested into. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of my little great family. Let's be friends. And to my returning subscribers, you all know that I heart you. Thank you guys for coming back. God bless you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very beautiful handbag that was custom made for me. But before I show you guys this handbag, I'll talk about this beautiful lady that reached out to me to custom make a bag for me. So her name is Naomi and she has a website called NaomiCrafted.com. So what she does is she takes authentic designer dust bags and she turns them into beautiful handbags. I chose the Hermes brand because I have a whole lot of Hermes dust bags and I wanted something really crafted from that dust bag, and also because the Hermes dust bag is very sturdy, it's very strong. So I wanted something, you know, made out of that dust bag that would always be very personal to me. On her website she has collections. She has a Naomi signature collection, and when you click on that you see that she has different gorgeous bags on the website, and then you go back to the catalog and she has the designer dust bag collection, and in that collection she has the Hermes dust bags, Dior dust bag, Gucci dust bags, sustainable Chanel dust bags, and luxury revival like LV Reimagined dust bags that you can use to kind of like create your nice person. Also she has a cartoon collection. In that collection she has the Hello Kitty collection, Snoopy collection, Winnie the Pooh collection, and other anime characters. If you're into anime characters and you want something crafted from that, she can also create that for you. I always wanted the Louis Vuitton Nice BB vanity bag. I sent her the inspiration and said I want something like this, but like not the same shape. This is just an inspiration. You can make it in a different format. I want like just the Hermes dust bag fabric to be at the front, and then the other material will be leathered on top and around the perimeters of that dust bag. And she was like, don't worry, I'll be able to create something that would fit this description. So I let her do a thing, and lo and behold, she made me this gorgeous bag. She even superseded my expectations. First of all, I wanted to mimic the Louis Vuitton vanity bag, but no, she did something really beautiful, very gorgeous. Now is the time to reveal this handbag. So here is the gorgeous bag I received from Naomi, authentic Hermes dust bag that's been used to create this handbag. And look at the sides of the handbag. The sides of the handbag is made of leather. The back is also made of leather, and the top handle is also made of a nice leather material. Of the handbag you can see that it has the zipper right there, and this is where the zipper starts from. Even on the zipper it has the leather material attached to it. This is the inside of the handbag. It has a very reasonable size compartment. There's a zipper right there that you can put stuff inside of it. Also was kind enough to send me a pearl handle to attach to to the bag, and the bag also comes with a strap. So this is the strap right here. So if I want to make it a crossbody bag, I can use the strap and make it a crossbody bag. Every corner of this handbag stitching is well made. You can see that it is well stitched all around the perimeter, and I love the shape. I love that it has 4 protected fits. Carry this bag to like brunch. You can use this bag as a errand bag to take the kids to school, girls meet up, take this to the movies. It's not too big, it's not too small, totally perfect for my body size. You have dust bags, designer dust bags, or even dust bags from other brands that you want to, you know, refurbish and turn it into a handbag. You can do that. You know, you can create your own unique handbag that is tailored to your style and your wardrobe. Like this is tailored to my style, it's tailored to my wardrobe. You can see that this totally fits my style. So Naomi also sent me a twilly to tie around the handle of my bag, and this is the gorgeous twilly right here. It is so pretty. Oh my god, look at the pattern. It's even spring and summer kind of vibe. So this will go on the handbag like so. I can also use my other twillies to accessorize the handbag. Let me pull out my other twillies and we'll see which one goes better. So I have this one, I have this full pale pink colored twilly as well, this as well, and I have this one that is reversible. So I can just use any one, you know, I can use any one and, you know, like style the handbag. If you love this handbag and you want to create your own custom-made repurposed bag from Naomi, you can contact her via our email, or you can go on her website, look at the bag variations that she does have on her website. If you do not want any of those bags from the website, you can also create your own bag, that repurposed dust bag, have the actual bag that you want. All right family, this brings me to the end of my bag review. So if you're interested in this kind of handbag, information is also down in the description box down below. And like always, thank you family for sticking to the end of this entire video. If you did love this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, turn your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any brand new content right here. And with that being said, thank you lovelies, thank you families, and I got you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed. Bye bye.